To replace the third-level spray arm in this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Open the dishwasher door and remove the lower dish rack. Pull out the upper dish rack, then open the front rack stops and fully remove the dish rack. Pull out the third-level rack, open the front rack stops, and remove the rack from the rails. Uninstall the lower spray arm by lifting up and rotating counterclockwise. Now use the small flathead screwdriver to help pry open the top and rear panel bracket tabs to release the water tube assembly. Detach the assembly from the diverter cover to fully remove. Using the screwdriver, pry off the spray arm retainer to release the old spray arm, if still intact. To install the new third-level spray arm, align it on the water supply tube and secure with the existing retainer or a new retainer if necessary. Insert the lower water tube ports into the diverter cover. Then snap the tube into place in the rear and top panel brackets. Reinstall the lower spray arm by inserting it into the support and rotating clockwise until it drops into place. Realign the third-level rack rollers on the rails, slide the rack in, and close the front rack stops. Do the same to reinstall the upper dish rack. Replace the lower dish rack, and the dishwasher should be ready for use.